This is one of the greatest chocolates ever. It's like biscuits.
Eating the mouth.
Please try one once you have empty mouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, it's like this, and then
These are chewy.
and yeah. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. My. Oh.
Ooh, what's soft.
All right.
Oh.
It's so good. It's so good. Yum, yum, yum.
That is good.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Reina, did you have it?
Not yet.
Where is it?
No, I didn't take one. I didn't take one
yeah.
yet. Later.
No, now.
Okay, now.
Let me.
Thank you. Snacky time for real. OMG.
One of the snacks I have brought is this.
Oh my god. How do you pronounce it again?
Rittersport.
What?
Rittersport.
What?
Rittersport.
What?
Oh, come on. Yeah, it's really good.
Some good chocolate.
I think they even have it in Japan. Nihon de Mario. Deutschland. It's from Germany.
I love.
What does Mume have?
I have something equally as good. I have goldfish.
Goldfish.
Goldfish crackers.
Oh.
Yay!
I already had one. You try one.
Okay. It will be inside me.
Yummy
A
goldfish.
taste of America.
Is that like something you snack on like generally?
I mean, I feel like it's a pretty common like lunchbox snack.
Oh.
Like it's like I don't know.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's good. I could snack on that.
It is very. It's
Another category.
I have Sour Patch Kids.
Wow, let's go!
I actually brought something here that is apparently banned from being sold in Japan.
Oh!
I love that.